Yum, yum!
William Vaughn here with a quick look at animating a cube rolling in MODO. Animating a rolling cube is a trivial task in MODO if you understand centers and pivots, so let's start there. When working with items in MODO, there are two elements for determining the origin of transformation operations, centers and pivots. The center is the origin of the item, regardless of the position of any geometry within the mesh item. It is the location that sits at the world origin when the item has not been moved, rotated, or scaled, and is also the default origin from where all item transformations occur, such as rotate and scale. The pivot is an offset from the item's center. When the pivot is edited, transformations originate from this location instead of the item's center. Let's edit the pivot on a cube to animate it rolling. I'll start by setting keys on the cube rotating over the course of 100 frames. Notice that the transformations operate from the center's location. Before moving the pivot, activate snapping and change the snap type to edge center to make it easier to place. Select the pivot, move it to the front edge of the box and key it at frames 0 and 20. Move the pivot to the front of the cube and key it on frame 40 and 60. Move the pivot to the front of the cube again and key it at frame 80. With the pivot animated, push play to see the final animation. Oh, look at the time.